In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Godaddy subscription for 2024. Whether you're looking to switch services or simply streamline your online presence, knowing how to cancel a subscription is crucial. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure it's simple and effective for you. First, you'll want to navigate to the Godaddy website. Their platform offers a range of services from domain names to web hosting and online marketing tools, making it the go-to source for many website needs. Once you're on the main page, locate the login button typically found in the top right corner. Use your existing credentials to access your account. This will bring you to your personalized dashboard where all your active services and products are listed. Next, direct your attention to the navigation menu and click on My Products. This is where Godaddy collects all services you currently own under your profile. You may need to scroll down to see a complete list, especially if you have numerous products with them. Now that you're in the Products section, find and select Renewals and Billing. This tab will provide an overview of any pending charges, renewal dates, and the services currently on your billing cycle. It's a good way to double check any active subscriptions before making changes. After reviewing your billings, the next step is to navigate to the Subscriptions section. This option should be visible as part of your account settings, and clicking here will show a more detailed breakdown of what subscriptions you maintain through Godaddy. This is where you can manage, modify, or even cancel them. When you're in the subscriptions window, you'll notice options next to each of your listed services. Here, you'll want to click on the Manage Your Billing link. This specific area is crucial because it provides the direct method for altering or cancelling your ongoing subscriptions. If you're unsure about what to do next or if the process seems overwhelming, feel free to contact Godaddy support at any stage. They offer chat and phone support options to guide you throughout the cancellation. Remember that cancelling a subscription often doesn't immediately impact its usability. Typically, you'll still have access to the service until the end of your current billing cycle, so make sure to plan any necessary transitions accordingly. Review any confirmation messages carefully to ensure that your cancellation request has been processed. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently cancel your Godaddy subscription without any unnecessary complications. Whether you're simplifying your digital engagements or trying out new service providers, having the knowledge to manage your subscriptions gives you the flexibility to make choices that best suit your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, feel free to share this video with friends or colleagues who might find it helpful.